previous Brahma, he tells many stories, which I would just relate one just to give you a sample. That one day there were 3 college students who were walking down the dirt road in front of Jagannath. At that time it was late at night. So he was a very poor Brahmana. His custom was to simply light a oil lamp. He didn't have any money for ghee, so he put some oil. But he had very little oil, so after an hour or so it would run dry, and he would just sit there chanting his japa, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So these boys came, they saw the building, they said, what is this? What is this place? Then the Brahmin, they saw the Brahmin in the shadows, said, what is this? Is a Jagannath Subhadra Balaram Mandir? They came, looked. Where? I don't see any deities. It's all dark. Don't you have any light? He says, no, the light has gone out. I have no more oil. Oh, there's no Jagannath here. There's no deity here. Listen, old buddy, I think you're just pulling our leg. You're just fooling us. And they walked off. After they got about 15 steps, where the oil wick was, a huge 18-inch blue flame shot up. And the whole Jagannath room was illuminated, just like by bright light. So the Brahmin called back, oh, boys, come back. Please come. So they came back, said, Jagannath has lit the room for you, but look at the oil lamp. They looked, no oil, just flame. Hare Krishna, Hare. They started, it's a custom to put out the tongue and pull the ear when you make an offense. So they started bowing down, circumambulating, and the Brahmin told, you are blessed by Jagannath. You must have been devotee in your previous life. Otherwise, why he would have brought you back like this? This is to prove to you that Jagannath is present. Now you surrender yourself to Krishna. You engage in his pure devotional service. So the boy took a very serious, he promised, I will chant Hare Krishna, I will follow, paid his obeisances, and then he went back. So like this, there are many, many stories about this Jagannath. Before ISKCON, you'll be surprised to know already what has happened since ISKCON. Jagannath is very nice.